Yes, my beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon, good night, or it depends the time you come across this channel. Big up on yourself, love and respect. Thanks for stopping by. I'm grateful, humble, and thankful, you know. That is it. Well, today content Kings and Queen. We gotta head into Morant Bay Town. Yeah, man, we are going to head into Morant Bay Town. We are going to collect the Tinset them and get a vehicle to carry them up, you know, and run little errands. See them. We say, if you're new, respect and thanks, and do remember, watch the video them to the very end. That's how we make a revenue. And also watch the ads them Kings and Queen. Big up on yourself all the time. Mosquito them are going terribly, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man, mosquito them are going terrible. So want to just stick and stay and watch what go on. How me beat stay today, my peeps. How me beat stay fit today. How me look fit today. Yeah, man, so they just go and clock in and watch what go on. We are head down at the road and now we go get a vehicle. Gonna bless up on yourself. Fully active. We outside. We fully alright. Fully alright. Fully alright, yeah. Yeah, my people, my side kill some side last night. Messi. Yeah, man, Messi scoring a chick 3-0. What if stop it? You know it come down. One goat for the World Cup for the football. That's right. Yes, I. You. We still alright. Feeling alright. We feeling alright, yeah. Early, I know my peeps. Big people are not my style. Yeah, the people will soon reach out on the road, you know. So I just go and watch what go on. Stay tuned and watch the process. Fully active. Yeah, my peeps, go and stay tuned and watch what go on. We're heading out of the main road. Yeah, man, go get a taxi now. Heading to Morant Bay Town. Go pick up them Tinset there. And forward black. You see it? Good idea. for big people and my style. Yeah, people soon reach the road and now spin around, I couldn't see what go on. We outside, fully active. St. Thomas here castle. Yes, I. Flowers are pretty, my people, huh? Yeah, man. Jamaican. Morning, auntie. Some orange juice, please. Easy, miss. You are the done. Thank you. So I go on, pull it active. That is it, my peeps. Go and check in and watch what I go on.
From St. Thomas side, from zinc fence days to concrete foundation ways. Vibes 39, kings and queens worldwide, brick by brick, stone by stone. From the dirt, now we claim our throne. Kings and queens, stand up proud. Hard work make we voice loud. From a shack to a skyline view. Dreams come true when your heart stay true. Vibes 39, we rise and shine. Blessing multiply over time. Yeah. Rooster crow before sunrise. Jupe and grass under country skies. Boots lace tight, cutlass swing. Sweat drip down but him still sing. Coffee basket pan him head. Coconut fall for daily bread. Hard job hustle not complain. Every dollar count through sun and rain. Father steady with the plan. Measuring tape in a colors and blueprint dreams in a dusty air. Future rising right over there. Me see the fire deep inside. No shortcut, just patience drive. Every setback, build more drive. That's how true kings survive. Brick by brick, stone by stone. From the dirt, now we claim our throne. Kings and queens, stand up proud. Hard work make we voice loud. From a shack to a skyline view. Dreams come true when your heart stay true. Vybz 39, we rise and shine. Blessings multiply over time. Yeah. Foundation strong, cement set. Tears and trials we won't forget. From sewage pit to solid ground. Now success make a different sound. Backyard pot pan open flame. Cooking yard food staying the same. Authentic vibes, pure and real. St. Thomas pride in every meal. Subscriber family worldwide. Kings and queens right by him side. Every comment, every share, fuel the journey everywhere. No mansion built in a single day. No storm can blow real faith away. From zinc roof days to tiled up view, the sky open wide for you. Brick by brick, watch it rise. Hard work, never tell no lies. Kings and queens, lift your crown. We turn every setback around. Vybz 89, destiny clear. Dream house, almost standing here. From St. Thomas to the globe we run. Faith and hustle, build that home.
Yeah, my babes. Reaching a Marant Bay town and now we are gonna run some errand and then we check for the Tinset them, get a taxi to bring them home. See time now. Time is 30 minutes past 9. Whoa. Soon check in back my people.
Eyesight is precious. Don't wait until it's too late. If you have a parent, grandparent, spouse, brother, sister, or friend, please visit the keyword.
feeling very Olympic.
Well, you should have different fun.
Yes.
And with your glasses on, Linda. Yeah, you got him? Got him? There we go. All right, here we go. You'll say, oh my God, on his October 14th birthday. You'll make him want to say,
I don't have to buy everything.
How much is it for?
I bought
Well, I'm a smear and I reach it. Hi, Miss Mary. Why you sell a pumpkin again? You like a 2 fish you want for dinner? Eh? Want 2 fish? No, no, honest. No, no, honest. Long, sir. Come in. You know how much one of them, Amity? Pussy.
One way you walk around downstairs. You're right over here.
Want some Viva water.
Eh?
Some Viva water.
You go out and put by the shelf. What do you want by the shelf?
Uncle, what? Eh?
I'm going night. I'm a business. Or somebody pick me up at us. I'm going night. And I share alone.
Then I see I look something for that. Sorry. Then I see one way, because I'm running. John, I'm going to be done. You learn fast. Yeah. You learn fast. You marshal. You look at the new one. You learn fast. I come here look for what now. Who don't know? You have to be one. No.
From St. Thomas side, from zinc fence day to concrete foundation way, vybz 39, kings and queens worldwide, brick by brick, stone by stone. From the dirt, now we claim our throne. Kings and queens, stand up proud. Hard work make we voice loud. From a shack to a skyline view, dreams come true when your heart stay true. vybz 39, we rise and shine. Blessing multiply over time. Rooster crow before sunrise. Jupe and grass under country skies. Boots lace tight, cutlass swing. Sweat drip down, but him still sing. Coffee basket pan him made. Coconut fall for daily bread. Hard job, hustle, not complain. Every dollar count through sun and rain. Father steady with the plan. Measuring tape in a color's hand. Blueprint dreams in a dusty air. Future rising right over there. Me see the fire deep inside. No shortcut, just patience drive. Every setback, build more drive. That's how true kings survive. Brick by brick, stone by stone. From the dirt, now we claim our throne. Kings and queens, stand up proud. Hard work make we voice voice loud from a shack to a skyline view. Dreams come true when your heart stay true. Vibes 39, we rise and shine. Blessings multiply over time. Yeah. Foundation strong, cement set. Tears and trials we won't forget. From sewage pit to solid ground. Now success make a difference sound. Backyard pot pan open flame. Cooking yard food staying the same. Authentic vibes, pure and real. St. Thomas pride in every meal. Subscribe our family worldwide. Kings and queens right by him side. Every comment, every share, fuel the journey everywhere. No mansion built in a single day. No storm can blow real fade away. From zinc roof days to tiled up view, the sky open wide for you. Brick by brick, watch it rise. Hard work, never tell no lies. Kings and queens.
Yeah, my peeps, we are good on the cook shop. We are going to save now. Rice and peas ready, you know. That is it. Cook shop, they have food, you know, but a dumpling or something. We don't want a dumpling or no. We want rice. We want rice and peas. So, when you big up on yourself, we are going to the cook shop to save a lady have any food ready. That is it. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. The cook shop smell nice already. Morning. Rice and peas, yeah. Wow. This is right time. Big food. Big food. Yeah. How much is it? One chicken. Fry. And I look for stew in that. Fry one and look for that stew.
You want a long box?
Yeah. 12 one big one. One can eat 2 times. I'm craving me eat enough, you know. Work hard. And so when I lift up bucket. Morning, Auntie. Leg on, you look good. That's yeah, sorry.
You want the short chicken, you want chicken legs? You want fried chicken legs? Oh, wow, yeah, the fried chicken. The one set to come out finish, just one leg left. One leg set up in that part.
Yeah, you can.
That they ask if you want the one leg with the short chicken.
Yeah. We have people in a nice, cool, relaxing cook shop, you know? Outside, waiting on the food, you know? That is it. So we just go and wait until they forward, they put some ketchup and pepper on it. Then we just head home, wait for the taxi, and go pick up the Tinset them and head home. That's right. Yes, right. Yeah, we people, so we're outside, active.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes, my people, we in a taxi heading home to Erie Castle now. So big up on yourself. We get the 11 bag of Tinset. So we are going to go home here now, bring them home. We did have money put down for the Tyler do the work. So we have to go in it now and to pay the driver and for fear and them things there, you know. But we're not watching that. We're going to work back and hustle up back that money so we can make the Tyler get the work finished, you know. So big up on yourself. Respect and thanks we reach this far in our video. We heading home here now. We are going to show you a look like journey going home. And after we reach home, we're going to see when we take out the Tinset them and get them pack up, you know. That is it. Respect and thanks every time. We out here. I do the right thing, you know. Yes, I. We in a Marant Bay town. Yeah, my peeps, we reach home now. So we're going to take up the Tinset them and bring them inside, you know. Bless up on yourself, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Let me show you the process before we start take them up and carry them in, go pack them up, you know. That is it. So I go on, my people, 11 bag. Yeah, man, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bag of Tinset, you know? Yeah, man, that is it. Fully active. Yard man style. Yeah, people. We outside. We gonna get them pick up there now. Get them pack up in the house. So just stay tuned and watch the process. That deal. Soon check in back with you know when we finish, you know. Yes, I. Yeah, so I get them pack up and all my people and then we check in back with them, you know. Go and stick and stay, watch what go on, be outside.